Hey guys, welcome back. So few weeks back we heard that Samsung will bring a latest camera sensors to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 as we have on the S22 series, where now we got all the information regarding the upgraded camera system for this foldable device. Also, Samsung is working on a new solution so that they can reduce the moving parts, which is going to lower the chances of mechanical failure. Now before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So starting off with the camera setup, most of the people wants a better camera and folding device just like we have on the S series right now. These foldable devices always cost around $1,800 to $2,000 so if someone is paying huge amount for a smartphone, then they should expect at least good quality cameras. But with the Z Fold 3, Samsung just brought the same camera system as we have on the Z Fold 2 right now, which was quite disappointing. Now, according to latest report, the next gen folding device will be getting a 10 megapixel telephoto zooming camera with 3x optical zoom, and yes, this sensor will also be getting an optical image stabilization as well. And this is the same sensor that we have on the non-Ultra S22 models, means this time the Z Fold 4 can capture quality images without losing on to the details. Not only this, some rumors also suggest that the main camera will also be getting upgraded to a 50 megapixel with optical image stabilization, and the ultra wide will be about 12 megapixel with a super steady video feature. So looks like company wants to fix the missing part, which was a flagship level camera setup. Now moving on, we know that to improve the durability of the device, Samsung will bring Super UTG, that is the super ultra thin glass, so that while using the S Pen on the inner display, it can provide solid experience and users will feel like they are actually riding on a glass. But now it is said that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with a single hinge design, and this means that the company is cutting down onto the moving parts to reduce the chance of mechanical failure, where the device will offer more durability. And all this can be achievable by just removing the extra hinge at the end, so that the Z Fold 4 may have a single hinge, resulting in a thinner as well as lighter smartphone design. Now talking about some specifications, the Z Fold 4 will bring for both the display a 120Hz AMOLED panel with LTPO 2nd gen refresh rate. And also last week we heard that the Z Fold 4 will be coming with the latest Qualcomm chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which is again going to improve the power efficiency and performance will be solid. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you feel about this smartphone? And if you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.